How to deactivate Facebook account but keep Messenger active. Hi everybody, welcome back. If you're wanting to do that, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, open up Facebook as usual and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you can head over the menu at the top, and from the menu, select up settings, and you may head over to account center from here. And from account center, you may scroll down, look for manage accounts option. And under there, you will be finding option of account ownership and control. Tap on it. And it should give you option of deactivation or deletion. Tap on it. And you may go on with the normal process of how you normally deactivate your account first. Tap on Facebook, the account that you're trying to deactivate, and look out for deactivate account option. Tap and continue. And once this is done, you can continue. Again, it will show deactivate your pages also that are active. After that, for security, you need to re-enter your password to continue. And once this is done, your Facebook account should be deactivated. Now, once your Facebook account is deactivated, should be automatically logged out of Facebook. And what you need to do is you may head over to Messenger. And when you head over to Messenger for the first time, once you have deactivated your account, it automatically gives you an option where it asks you if you would like to continue using Messenger even after deactivating your Facebook or not. You just need to tap on continue and confirm it, and it should automatically lead you to Messenger chats, and you will be finding your Facebook being deactivated, but your Messenger still working properly. So this is the method you can apply if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.